Welcome back to Power of Thought. Today. We're diving into an incredibly simple yet transformative practice that could unlock the wealth and success you've always desired, just by using 2 words before sleep. This technique, developed by Dr. Joseph Murphy, requires no visualization, no affirmations, and no complex steps. Yet it taps into one of the most powerful tools you possess, your subconscious mind. Dr. Murphy, the renowned author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, has helped millions of people worldwide understand how to reprogram their thoughts and beliefs to attract the success they seek. In this video, you'll discover the exact method he recommends and why these 2 words, wealth and success, could be the key to unlocking a future filled with financial abundance. Skeptical? That's completely natural. But stay with me, because I'm going to explain exactly why this simple practice works and how you can start using it tonight. To understand why Dr. Joseph Murphy's technique is so effective, we first need to explore the extraordinary power of the subconscious mind. According to Murphy, the subconscious mind is far more influential than the conscious mind when it comes to shaping our reality. While your conscious mind handles everyday tasks and logical thinking, your subconscious mind operates beneath the surface, processing beliefs, memories, and emotions that often go unnoticed. It doesn't reason or question. It simply accepts the thoughts and ideas you feed it, especially when you are in a relaxed, receptive state, such as just before sleep. Murphy argues that most of us are running on outdated, limiting beliefs about money and success. Whether you grew up hearing things like money is the root of all evil, you have to work hard to be successful, or rich people are greedy, your subconscious mind has likely absorbed these ideas and is using them as the blueprint for your financial reality. As a result, you may be unconsciously sabotaging your own financial success without even realizing it. The good news: the subconscious can be reprogrammed, especially in the moments right before you fall asleep, when it's most open to suggestion. This is where the nightly ritual of repeating 2 powerful words, wealth and success, comes in. Now, let's break down the ritual itself. The key to its effectiveness lies in the timing and simplicity. Here's what to do. 1. Right before bed, as you lie down and begin to relax, start silently repeating the words wealth and success. You don't need to say them out loud if you don't want to, just silently repeat them in your mind. 2. As you continue to drift off to sleep, keep repeating these 2 words. Don't worry about how many times you say them or if your mind wanders. The repetition is meant to be effortless and calming, not forced. 3. Focus on the feelings behind the words. When you say wealth, imagine yourself surrounded by abundance. When you say success, envision yourself achieving your biggest goals with ease. Even if you don't fully believe it yet, your subconscious will absorb the intent behind the words. This practice works because it taps into a highly receptive state, often called the hypnagogic state, which occurs right before sleep. During this period, your conscious mind relaxes its grip on logical thinking, and your subconscious mind becomes more open to receiving new beliefs and ideas. By consistently repeating the words wealth and success, you are effectively reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with these positive outcomes. One of the most fascinating ideas from Joseph Murphy's teachings is that the subconscious mind isn't just a powerful force within you. It's also connected to something much larger: universal consciousness. What does this mean? According to Murphy, the subconscious mind acts as a bridge between your individual consciousness and an infinite field of creativity, potential, and abundance that surrounds us all. This universal force responds to the thoughts and beliefs you impress upon your subconscious. Think of it like planting seeds in a fertile garden. The words wealth and success are the seeds. Your subconscious mind is the soil. The universal consciousness is the nurturing environment that ensures those seeds grow into tangible, positive outcomes in your life. Once your subconscious accepts that wealth and success are your natural state, it will start attracting circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with these new beliefs. What's more, the subconscious has an extraordinary ability to work behind the scenes, gathering information, forming connections, and even guiding you toward specific actions that will lead to financial abundance. This could mean waking up one day with a brilliant business idea, meeting someone who opens doors for a new career opportunity, or even noticing patterns you hadn't seen before, all because your subconscious is aligned with wealth and success. So what happens when you start this nightly ritual? At first, it may feel odd or even pointless. After all, repeating 2 words doesn't seem like it should be enough to make a real difference, right? But remember, your current beliefs about money and success didn't form overnight. They've been imprinted on your subconscious over many years, often through negative thoughts and external influences. Reversing these deep-seated beliefs takes time, but with consistency, you will begin to see results. Here's what you can expect. 1. Internal shifts. One of the first things you'll notice is a shift in your mindset. Instead of feeling anxious about money, you might start to feel more confident and optimistic about your financial future. 2. External opportunities. As your subconscious becomes programmed for wealth and success, you'll start to see opportunities appear in your external world, sometimes in the form of a new job offer, a profitable investment, or a chance encounter with someone who can help you achieve your financial goals. 3. Synchronicities. You may notice coincidences that seem to be perfectly aligned with your new intentions. These synchronicities aren't accidents. They're the result of your subconscious aligning with universal consciousness to bring your desires into reality. The key is consistency. You need to commit to this ritual night after night, even if you don't see immediate results. Over time, you'll notice shifts in your internal beliefs and external circumstances that reflect the wealth and success you've been programming into your subconscious. Many of us have ingrained thought patterns that block our financial success. These thought patterns often stem from societal conditioning or early experiences with money. For example, 1. Negative beliefs about money. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, money is hard to come by, or I'll never be rich? These thoughts create a scarcity mindset, which your subconscious then takes as truth. 2. Limiting self-talk. When you constantly say things like, I can't afford that, or I'm stuck in this dead-end job, you're reinforcing financial limitations in your subconscious. 3. Toxic emotions. Feelings like envy, resentment, or fear of financial failure also create blocks. When you resent others for their wealth, for instance, you're telling your subconscious that abundance is not meant for you. To overcome these blocks, Dr. Murphy suggests a 2-step process. 1. Become aware of your thoughts, words, and feelings around money. This requires mindfulness. Start paying attention to how often you think or say something negative about your financial situation. 2. Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Even if you don't fully believe it at first, start thinking, saying, and feeling prosperity. One easy way to do this is by genuinely wishing others financial success. When you see someone doing well, instead of feeling envious, send them positive energy and genuinely wish them continued success. Over time, this shifts your mindset from lack to abundance. The nightly ritual of repeating wealth and success helps accelerate this shift by reprogramming your subconscious to expect prosperity instead of reinforcing scarcity. Now that you understand the power of this ritual, it's time to take action. Start tonight by repeating wealth and success right before you fall asleep. Remember, consistency is the key to transforming your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. We have a lot more to explore on manifestation, mindset, and the teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, so be sure to stay tuned. Also, share your experiences in the comments below. Whether you're just starting or have been practicing this ritual, I'd love to hear how it's impacted your life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.